Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to create a real account on Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go and log into your Exness account. If you don't have an account, go to this video here and you will see how to create an Exness account, okay? After that, log in and click on real here. Click on open account and you have to choose the type of account you want. So we have here the standard. We have the minimum deposit $10. This is the minimum spread, the max leverage, it's with no commissions. Okay, so for me, I prefer this one. So just click on it and click on continue. Now here, make sure you choose real here. We have here the currency. You have to choose the currency you want. So for me, I will keep it on a US dollar. We have here the nickname. You can change it, for example, to my real account. You can type here whatever you want. And we have here the max leverage. You can change it after if you want. We have here the platform. If you want to use MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. So for me, I will keep it on MetaTrader 5. And we have here the trading password, okay? You have to remember this password because if you want to link your account with MetaTrader, you need to enter this password, okay? So just remember it. And now just click on create account. And now as you can see here, this is our account, real account. As you can see here, if you click on demo, you will see here demo, but here you will see real. Now all you have to do is click on deposit and you have to deposit your money. As you can see, you can use Binance, bank card, Ethereum, Nettler, Skrill, anything, okay? Just click on it, link your account and add your balance. Also, I have a video on how to deposit money in your Exness account. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.